My name is Meg Haggitt. My degree is a PhD and I'm in the Faculty of Science, Department of Biology. I came to Western because it was such an interesting environment of so many different faculty. In the Department of Biology, there's over 200 different grad students here now, and so it's a massive faculty which allows you to be able to tailor and choose the certain professor that you want to work with that has your type of research. The other amazing part about it was it's a very supportive faculty. So I had 2 children during my PhD. I've been able to do a lot of other things outside of my just my studies, and that's really allowed me to build a life, not just have a degree, and that was with the full support of my faculty, which is amazing. What I study is I study how plants wound heal. And so if you cut a plant open, just like our own skin, it has to be able to seal itself up and be able to keep the water in and the pathogens and bacteria out. And so I study how that's made. I think both having a large faculty, which allows you to have a lot of different mentors. You've got people who have been here for many, many years, and then you've also got brand new faculty. So you get that kind of young, diverse crowd, as well as the people who have been steadfast in their field and incredibly successful. I think the best thing about being a grad student at Western is the resources. This is a massive university. There are 30,000 students here. Some people might think that that's really daunting when you walk in the door, but I think it's exactly the opposite. You've got small niche pockets of people who look at every type of research out there. And so these guys have seminars, and you can easily go in and drop in and get to know people in different faculties. Resource centers like the Teaching Support Center, the Writing Support Center really help you as you're going through as a graduate student to learn how to teach properly and to the best of your ability, as well as how to write a thesis really well. So I think because this university is so big, the resources are everywhere, but they're still accessible to everyone, which is kind of unique. I think my best advice to anybody who's looking to apply into grad studies is to make sure you're choosing something that you love and not just for the paycheck. If you decide that you're going to go into a field and you're going to study in it for 2 years or 5 years, whether you're doing a master's or a PhD, if you choose something you think is going to be a good job skill afterwards, I'd say that you're bound to be unhappy. If instead you choose something that you love and you work with somebody who's engaged and who's interested in that same field, you'll develop a passion for it, which anything you're passionate about, you're going to become great at. So I think that my best advice would be figure out what you love, find somebody who also loves that, and I'd say Western is fantastic with the faculty that they have here, and then you can really step into that environment and thrive.